Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Monday, April 30th, 2018. So here's what's going on right now, and it's kind of bizarre. It really is. Stocks are higher as I am doing this video blog. They're buying up those bonds again. Gold is under pressure. Silver is under pressure. Cryptos are about at the flat line. It still appears to me, and again, I really could be way off on this, that they are determined to prop up the stock market, but it does not seem to be overly enthused about anything. I'm referring to, again, the stock market here. Regardless of these earnings that have been coming in, regardless of the propping up of the bond market, we're not seeing too much here. Now, on Friday, I covered how this market, in my opinion right now, the market is still searching for some kind of a direction. When there's uncertainty being injected into the market, you can expect bad things to happen. That's been the rule forever with regard to the equity markets here. But I just, the dynamics here, again, are confusing. I think to anyone that follows this market like I do, we're seeing all kinds of weird things go on here, and it just doesn't seem to make any sense, which could mean something bad may happen soon. Now, I'm not talking about a market crash. I'm just talking about a market that may bleed off here a little bit. However, I did take up this position this morning. It's a small initial position. I don't know what's going to happen with this. I wouldn't be surprised if it turns into a loss, I'll be honest with you, in this bizarre market. But I just wanted to have a little exposure here. That's kind of how I really keep track of what's going on, is I'll take up a position in the market so I have some skin in the game. Makes me pay more attention, you know what I mean? But this is a small position here, as usual. So in case it goes south on me, I will close it, and I won't be too upset if it goes wrong. If on the other hand, all of this confusion in the market gives way to an upward move, well, I already have a little bit of exposure here. I will add to that position. But right now, as I am doing this video blog, despite stocks being higher by like 170 points or so, it's a pretty nice rally here in the Dow. I'm not convinced that this market knows what direction it wants to go. That's basically the premise of this entire video. But they are propping up those bonds again, people. Go to my website. If you're not watching this chart right on my website, right underneath the chat room, go look at that chart. It's not like huge, but they're in there buying those bonds. They are determined to keep those rates low, despite the fact that the Fed keeps saying we're going to raise rates. Now, that's something else interesting. This week, a lot of information is going to be coming in here. A lot of companies reporting. We're going to hear from the Fed this week. So we're gonna have to keep track of a lot of things, and we'll see. Maybe that's the reason why this market isn't kind of like doesn't know what it wants to do land. But again, they're not gonna let any of this fall. It's a managed market. It's not real. They're gonna find a way to prop this up, more than likely through the midterms. Could I be wrong? Sure, but I will talk about this as we move forward. With that said, let's see how this plays out through the end of the day here. Keep your eye on that bond market. See how stocks are responding. Metals, they're pounding on the metals right now. It's such a disgusting thing. It really is. The debt keeps inflating. They keep printing. They keep adding dollars to a digital screen, and they keep pressuring gold and silver as well. You want to talk about a fake market? There's none more fake than that. The precious metals market's unbelievable, and nobody bats an eye. No regulator, nobody wants to look into it. It's crazy. With that said, I'll see you at the end of the day. Over and out.